In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a link preview in LinkedIn. Whether you're sharing a post or updating your profile, sometimes those automatic link previews can be a bit distracting or just plain unnecessary. Fortunately, here is a straightforward way to manage these previews on LinkedIn. So, let's dive right in and walk through the steps you need to follow. To begin, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to LinkedIn. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and sign in. You can do this using your Google or Microsoft account, or simply use your email address and password. Should you have two-factor authentication set up for added security? You might need to verify your account through a code sent directly to your phone. This is just an additional layer of protection to make sure your account remains secure. Now, once you are logged in and you are ready to modify a post or update your profile, you might notice a link preview that you'd like to remove. The simplest approach to handle this is to delete the link from the text itself. To do this, click into the area where you've inserted the link and backspace to remove it. More often than not, this action will eliminate the link preview. However, sometimes the preview may persist on the page, showing up in a separate box beneath your text. If you come across this situation, don't worry. Look for a small X or a similar icon in the corner of the preview box. Clicking this icon will directly remove the unwanted preview from your post, giving your content a cleaner appearance. It's a straightforward way to ensure that your post looks just how you want it to before hitting publish. Sometimes, you might realize the need to remove a link preview only after you've already posted it. To address this, go to the specific post you want to edit. You'll notice 3 small dots located at the top right corner of the post. Click on these dots and a menu with several options will appear. Choose Edit Post from the drop-down menu. This will allow you to return to the post, make your modifications, and remove the link from the text entirely. Once you are satisfied with the changes you've made, save the post. You should find that the preview has been successfully removed. And there you have it. With these easy steps, you now have full control over link previews in your LinkedIn posts. It's always satisfying to see your content displayed exactly as you envisioned it, free from the clutter of unwanted previews. Remember these steps next time you want to tidy up your LinkedIn feed, and before you know it, you'll be handling it like a pro.